Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Revolut Points. Revolut is a popular financial app that offers a range of features, including a rewards program that allows you to earn points on your transactions. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of using Revolut Points, from earning them to redeeming them. First, it is essential to understand how to earn Revolut Points. You can earn points on every transaction you make using your Revolut card, with the number of points you earn varying depending on the type of transaction and the merchant. For example, you may earn more points on transactions at certain restaurants or shops. To view your points balance, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Rewards section. Here, you will see the total number of points you have earned, as well as a breakdown of the points you have earned on each transaction. Once you have accumulated a sufficient number of points, you can redeem them for rewards. Revolut offers a range of rewards, including cashback, discounts, and exclusive offers from partner merchants. To redeem your points, simply navigate to the Rewards section of the app, select the reward you want to redeem, and follow the prompts to complete the redemption process. It is also worth noting that Revolut Points can be used to purchase travel insurance, which can provide you with additional protection when you are traveling abroad. To purchase travel insurance using your points, navigate to the Travel section of the app and follow the prompts to select the type and duration of cover you need. To get the most out of your Revolut Points, it is essential to use them regularly and to take advantage of the rewards and offers available. You can also use the Revolut app to track your points balance and to receive notifications when new rewards and offers become available. In conclusion, using Revolut Points is a simple and straightforward process that can help you to get more value from your transactions. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start earning and redeeming points today and take advantage of the range of rewards and offers available through the Revolut app.